So as a beginner in the crypto space, I've already made some decent money with my crypto portfolio, but this bull run, this 2024-25 crypto bull cycle is revolved around one main narrative. And I want to talk about that main narrative as well as the news taking place in the crypto markets. It's having, a huge effect on the price action around Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're basically in a phase of consolidation, and right now everything is just trading sideways until we see that huge next leg up. Overall though, I want to talk about the main narrative, the main meta of this 24-25 crypto bull cycle and how you can capitalize on it, make that 10, 20, 50x. I'm a beginner, made some crazy gains already, but I plan to do some crazier things in the near future. But before we jump into it, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, my perspective on the space, and just documenting my whole journey from starting to getting to where I want to be. But overall, let's jump into it. So guys, the price action around Bitcoin is, going up right now, but the sentiment in these last few days has been up and down. And it's basically because Bitcoin is in a phase of consolidation. There's multiple different news events around Bitcoin, multiple catalysts like the big Bitcoin conference that's coming up with Trump, and all these different news events that are, causing a lot of movement in the markets. But there's one main narrative that's really taking off and taking control of the crypto space. And if you're not really invested in this narrative, you're missing out. That narrative, of course, is meme coins. Meme coins are just popping off this crypto cycle. And I saw this great post of pretty much talking about the 2018 crypto cycle, the 2021 crypto cycle, and now this cycle. And in 2018, it was revolved all around altcoins and everything that was popping off. In 2021, when I got in, it was all revolved around NFTs. That's the, huge meta that popped off that cycle. I remember I made over like 9 G's off of one NFT when I first got into this stuff, which was freaking crazy. I got whitelisted on the project and I made a ton of money, but after that, I didn't know what I was doing. And now in this 2024-2025 crypto cycle, meme coins are just popping off right now. Meme coins and AI coins. People are also neglecting the AI narrative, which I really think you should really be focused on that as well. But meme coins right now are just popping off. And one of the main reasons why I think meme coins are so good and so lucrative is the fact that, they're simple coins that are just driven with hype and community sentiment as well as proper marketing. And if you have that in a project, people just ape into it. Nobody wants to be looking for projects where they have to do really good research, understand the team, the tokenomics, and everything else behind the project. It gets really complicated and people don't want to be doing that. They want to jump into something that just makes sense, where all the hype is, and that's meme coins. Right now, there's a ton of meme coins popping off. I've jumped into a few. My main meme coin position is Brett, and honestly, a lot of people have been telling me that I need to get out of this coin just because, the market cap is super high and there's not much liquidation in the coin, and it completely makes sense. I'm just in Brett because it's the most safest meme coin right now out of all the meme coins in the space, as opposed to, Pepe, Doge, SHIB, and all the ones that have already been here. This coin has already built so much traction. The marketing, the community, and everything behind the project is just so strong. But I plan to get out of this coin, in the middle of when everyone's all hyped. You need to leave the market when everyone's like super hyped up. Everyone's talking like, yeah, this is gonna go to 100 billion, 150 billion. You need to be getting out, halfway into that, and maybe keep some of those profits so that you sell good amount, secure the bag, maybe get a little bit more, and then from there leave a little bit of change in there so that it can keep doing crazy exponentials if it keeps on going. But with my meme coins right now, I'm only invested into a few. I'm jumping into, some smaller altcoins. As you can see right here, there's a few that I want to jump into. I've already jumped into Mr. Miggles. A few other coins that honestly have a ton of potential that I haven't even talked about on this channel that I really want to jump into. And I'm going to make a huge list on that. We'll get into that on another video. But right now, I want to talk about just the main narrative, and it's meme coins. I've already made a crazy amount of gains on the current meme coins that I have. I remember the Pepe, if you look at Pepe in my portfolio, I had like $20 to turn to like $100, $200. So you could do the multiples if you would have put like $1,000 in, and so on and so forth. Right now though, if you're not buying meme coins, if you're not focused on this narrative, you're really missing out. And I think every crypto cycle, there's something really big that pops off, some huge narrative, some specific meta, and right now it's meme coins. A lot of retail money is coming into the space, a lot of people with not that much knowledge about crypto, Web3, and everything like that. And one of the main things people jump into is those meme coins, the things that just doesn't make sense. But when you're jumping into these meme coins, you need to understand that there is a ton of risk around it. There's meme coins dropping today and they're losing so much money. People are losing so much money, and it's just because there's two sides to the spectrum. A lot of people are making a ton of money, but in order for those people to make a ton of money, people have to lose money. So it's all a variation, guys, and you got to really be focused on what is the main thing in this crypto cycle. I know right now, if you look at my crypto portfolio, I'm revolved around AI, meme coins, and crypto gaming, and overall I'm still going to keep going into those specific narratives and double down on them. But you need to be looking for those next pop-offs. You know, there's some meme coins that haven't even came out yet that have the potential to do 100x's, 1000x's, 50x's, all different variations of x's. And if you're not keeping up with these coins, the specific news events and everything else that's going on, you're going to miss out. One meme coin that I was really looking at, it was revolved around the Olympics mascot, and the Olympics had a horrible opening ceremony with pretty much making fun of the first dinner of Christ and everything like that, or the Last Supper. Apologies, the Last Supper. This caused a lot of negative sentiment. That coin actually went crashing down, and that's why it's really important to keep up with the news as well as the narratives that are going on, just because a simple thing can cause a coin to just crash down horribly, and you can lose a ton of money. But guys, overall, in this crypto cycle, you know, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum in a phase of consolidation with all the news events around Ethereum, ETF trading live, a lot of different, you know, liquidity coming into the markets. But the main narrative right now where everyone's making a ton of money is meme coins. And if you're keeping up with, you know, all the different coins that are coming out, the narratives that are taking place, the catalyst in the events, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. But if you're not keeping up with these things and you're just aping into coins and not really, you know, doing your research and jotting down where you're making mistakes, you're going to be on the wrong side of the spectrum of the people losing a ton of money than the people that are making a ton of money. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my crypto portfolio, everything that's going on with me with crypto. Overall, like how I said, I'm really focused on meme coins right now. I think if you're jumping into meme coins, you're still very fresh, very new. Everyone feels like they're, you know, lost, late to the game. At the end of the day, if you're in crypto right now today, you're still early. You just gotta have that mentality of wanting to keep progressing, keep learning, and keep moving forward. At the end of the day, there's going to be better traders than you. You're going to lose money, but if you can learn from all those mistakes, learn from those trades, and don't do those stupid things, you're going to end up just becoming intelligent by default. So overall, guys, I'm going to keep you updated on the investments that I'm making, my crypto portfolio. Overall, I'm pretty green right now, but I'll keep you guys updated. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. Just drop daily content every day showing you guys my crypto portfolio, my perspective on this case, my perspective on the space, my wins, my losses, and everything else in between. But I drop daily content every day, just keeping you guys updated on the crypto markets and showing you guys, you know, how a beginner navigates this crypto space and how he thinks. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm seeing Deadpool 3 today, which is freaking dope. I can't wait to watch that movie. But overall, I got to take off and edit this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make money with crypto. Don't do anything dumb. I'll see you in the next one.